On the bus now from Madrid going to Salamanca. To my left is EJ, Ninang K, and this is Baby Reiki. Baby Reiki, say hi before you go to sleep. You say, hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, muchas gracias. That's Mommy Tina and Ninang Cha. Yes, and this is our bus. It's a nice bus. Walang-wala yung mga bus sa Cambodia at Vietnam. Si Giant Ibis, watch out. Tapos direkta na to, 2 oras walang stop pagbaba namin sa Lamangka. And yan, dito yung banyo. Maganda, malinis, modern. And we should be there by 4 p.m. today. Susunduin kami ni Oscar, ang fiancé ni Tito EJ. At kami mamamanhikan.
Proxy na naman, sure.
So we will make the most out of this trip for finance and romance.
Yes, for papers. Char.
Peace out.